Welcome to our channel. Chase virtual cards offer enhanced security for online and phone transactions. Activating your virtual card by phone is quick and ensures you can make purchases immediately. Follow these steps. Step 1. Locate the Chase customer service phone number associated with your account. This can be found on your welcome materials, the Chase website, or the back of any physical Chase card you have. Step 2. Gather your account information before calling. Have your Chase account number, social security number, date of birth, and virtual card details ready. Step 3. Call the Chase activation hotline using the phone number registered to your account. This helps with automatic identity verification. Step 4. Listen to the automated menu and select the option for virtual card services or card activation. You may need to press a specific number on your keypad. Step 5. When prompted, provide your account number or the virtual card number using your phone's keypad. Speak clearly if the system uses voice recognition. Step 6. Verify your identity by answering security questions or providing personal information such as your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 7. Follow the automated instructions to complete the activation process. The system will confirm when your virtual card is active. Step 8. If needed, you can speak with a Chase representative by selecting the option for customer service during the call. Once activated, your Chase virtual card is ready for use in online and phone transactions immediately, providing an extra layer of security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.